Well, good day, everyone. Steve Villanueva here. Here's a live look outside, and boy, it is a gloomy day and a breezy one, and we're also tracking some rain showers. And as the day goes on, we're going to start to see the rain fill on in. So the rain could be heavy at times, could be dealing with a bit of flooding. So that's something that we're going to have to watch. Otherwise, there's a live look at the Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse, and we do have some showers moving across Palm Beach County. 78 right now into the Palm Beaches, 73 into Vero Beach, basically lower to the middle 70s right now. We do have that onshore flow sustained up to almost 20, but we're seeing wind gusts of up to 30 miles an hour. So it is quite blustery out there, but the winds do start to back off a bit as we head into the afternoon hours. Notice we are tracking some rain showers into Palm Beach County, a couple of showers popping up basically along the turnpike from Lake Worth Beach into Wellington and into parts of West Palm. Otherwise, the steadier rain right now into Port St. Lucie and towards Vero Beach, and we have more in the way of moisture just offshore. Here's the wider view. We do have a lot of tropical moisture in and around the peninsula with a front stalled right here. And as the day goes on, the rain is going to start to fill on in some spots. And as a result, we could be dealing with a bit of flooding. In fact, we do have at least a marginal chance of seeing excessive rainfall as we head into the afternoon hours, generally along the coast. So a little bit of flash flooding will be possible. As we head into tomorrow, notice how the steadiest of that rain should start to shift up towards the Treasure Coast and especially the Space Coast. That's where the threat of some potential flooding will be as we head into your Tuesday. But by Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, we're going to see drier air moving on in, partly to mostly sunny skies. It'll be warm with highs in the lower to the middle 80s and at best just a spot shower as we head into Thursday, Thanksgiving Day. So there's the front to the south, lots of moisture on top of South Florida, and onshore flow. And as a result, keep those umbrellas with you as we head into today. Likewise, tomorrow, we'll continue to see periods of rain, but tomorrow, most of it will shift towards the Treasure Coast and the Space Coast. And then all of this starts to pull away from us as we head into Wednesday and into Thursday. So here's Vipercast. Notice this afternoon, some of the rain really picking on up, could be quite heavy. As we head into tonight, just a few showers around. And then by tomorrow, most of the active weather is along the Treasure Coast and up towards Brevard County. Rainfall totals over the next 48 hours, anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches possible. But notice again, Brevard County, that's where we're expecting the heaviest rain as we head into the next 1 to 2 days. If you're going boating, we do have that small craft advisory in effect. Seas very rough, anywhere from 5 to 10 feet. Inland waters, in fact, are rough. So here's your first alert 7-day forecast. Today, tomorrow, right around 80 degrees. Keep those umbrellas with you. We start to dry it on Wednesday. Thursday looks great. And then a front expected to come through on Friday. And that means the weekend potentially right now looks great. Temperatures in the 70s, lots of sunshine.